Well, all right, guys, here we are with the unofficial, I'm not sure if it's the last or the penultimate video that I'm going to make for a little while. For a little while, I'm going to go and just not be on live on the camera for a little while. So I thought I'd leave you guys with a couple of interesting things that I want to talk about. Some of them will be the unfortunate demise of the guy who created, well, not the guy who created, maybe it's the son of the guy who created Tamiya. Tamiya, one of my favorite companies of all time. And no, it has nothing to do with Star Wars, but they did use these awesome kinds of remotes for the grounds hobbies, all the remote-controlled vehicles, whether it was boats, crawlers, RC cars, you name it, they all got remote-controlled by remote controls like this. Then the worst side of history got in the way, the influencers, the ones that ruin everything for everybody at all times, the ones who said yes to remote ID came along, and then what happened, and here we are in 2025. It ain't good. It ain't good. Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Is it the end of Star Wars? Don't say that I don't bring the Disney to the channel. I do. This was a pretty cool product back in the day with the air hogs and stuff. One of the last companies that made things in America? Or was it always still made in China, but owned by Americans? I don't know. It's hard to tell. Anyway. 你不知道我为什么离开你，我先辞不分手，放任你不羁，你的泪滴像倾盆大雨，水落满地，在心里洗。Anyway, I have no idea what I was saying. I was just no idea what I was saying. 蝴蝶眨几次眼睛，在水会飞行。Anyway, that's the funny thing about singing, right? You sing something like that, they're like, oh, so you speak Chinese. No, I have no idea what I said. I have no idea what I said at all. And that's fine, because that's the world of YouTube. You can, like, play games and pretend and be this actor person. And it's all well and good until a Chinese person shows up and they're like, what the hell were you saying? I have no idea what you're just saying there. Anyway, the influencers and the way that they've done stuff has been a disaster for the RC sport, for the drone and flying things in the air sport. And that's why right now all I do is I found all these cool cars. They're RC cars. They're small. What is it? LDA or LDR/C, and I drift at home. Or there's this other company, I can't remember what it's called now, and they do have cool remote controls like this, and they have mini drones that you can fly indoors. Because that's where we are, in the land of the free, of the brave. We're stuck in our houses. We can't go outside because they've taken over. The folks have taken over. Anyway, I just wanted to end this series that we've been doing by talking about the thing that people have been lied to for the longest of time. And it's not just the fact that we have fake AI. Sam Almanacs, Google what an almanac is what they have. They brought out these systems. They all need the cloud to function. So let's say that you're driving along and you end up on the train tracks. And all of a sudden you're like, how do I, hey, Siri, or hey, Alexa, whatever it is, there's been a mistake. I'm on the tracks. I need to get off the tracks. And then you have to wait, checking with the cloud. Can I get off? It's ridiculous. Anyway. Don't run your business through AI. It's dangerous. And the other thing that I wanted to say to conclude this thing is, when you're building your body, what you put in it matters. The building blocks are very important. So if you put crappy building blocks in your body, you will have problems. And so don't do that.